We also saw the visuals coming in of Manish Sisodia alongside his wife to practice their franchise. Shreya, coming back to you, please continue. You were speaking to the voters with you.
Major issue in Delhi. Absolutely. You know, I was just speaking to them and they have to say that Delhi needs good governance at this given point. That is the major part that's missing in the national capital. But you know, sir and ma'am, I would want to ask both of you at this given point, narratives are a galore, but you know, environmental factors still seem to be the key focus for the people of Delhi. What would you have to say? Air pollution, Yamuna, the cleaning of Yamuna at this very given point, have these issues resonated? Were these your top focus when you were voting today?
Well, it's been a matter of concern because there always has been a blame game, you know. I think we have to forget about blame and start working on issues. We only remember them when there are crises, then we forget about it, whether it's, you know, roads getting flooded during rains, environment, pollution, and so on. I think every year we talk, but there's nothing done at all. In my opinion, I think we have to seriously draw out a strategic plan and work on this, because ultimately citizens are suffering, you know, and we get affected by the blame game. You know, that should not be there. I think that's why I said a good governance would make sure everything is done as per, you know, as per situation. Environment is so bad. Why Delhi? Delhi is the only place where you can carry out illegal activities, not in other states. I've been to other states, so clean, so fantastic. But Delhi, why? Because there's no governance. There's no strictness at all. Everybody does whatever they want. They copy each other. I think I look upon, frankly speaking, and blame game has to get over from this state. As if we start blaming each other, then no results. Our education is getting better. Our children, suppose there's pollution, schools are closed. Who is suffering? Those poor children are suffering. Their education is suffering. Their future is gone. But here is a blame game only. I think, you know, I think we got to start working on it and seriously on these couple of issues: pollution, cleanliness, education, of course, inflation and encroachment, and so on, so that we have, it's a capital of the country. It's not a normal state. The world looks upon it.
Absolutely. Civic issues getting lost. Amid the blame game is what he has to say. What is your opinion on it?
That's a very interesting question you ask, and I am somebody who's very closely related to environment and the law. There are always two sides to the coin, and we can have pros and cons both. But you're absolutely right. The attention to civic sense needs to be at a more minute level than it has been. Waste management is a big problem that we are faced with today, with dumps, with landfills rising to the level of mountains. It is something that everybody, the government and the people and citizens, need to have a conscientious view of, and stop playing the blame game between the citizens and the government as well. So yes, waste management, air pollution, all issues that the city is grappling with need definitely a more detailed attention.
So across age groups at this given point, Sakshi, this is what we see. They have to say that good governance is what is missing in the national capital at this given point, and civic issues being lost amid such blame games that are consistently being played by political parties. So narratives, whatever they may be, there are plenty that is being put forward by all these parties, be it corruption, be it freebies, they're all there. But despite that, for them, their key focus at this given point is they need and they demand good governance from whichever party comes to power next.